The following list is composed of items, techniques, and processes that were invented by or discovered by people from Spain. While most of Western and Southern Europe suffered from the collapse of the Roman Empire, although declining, some regions of the former empire, Hispania, the Iberian Peninsula, southern Italy, and the remainder of the Eastern Roman Empire or Byzantine Empire, did not to suffer from the full impact of the so-called Dark Ages when education collapsed with the collapse of the empire and most knowledge was lost. When Hispania and southern Italy were conquered by the Muslims, a new era of intellectual energy began in these regions driven by a belief of educated Muslims that viewed rationality and knowledge as a form of worship of Allah, God, because, as they saw it, by unlocking the mysteries of the universe we realize God's greatness and complexity. Islam had initially started out as a barbaric religion fighting jihad after jihad in its attempt to convert the masses to the teachings of Muhammad. These barbaric conquests were begun by the very prophet and founder of Islam himself. However, as the Muslims conquered the Fertile Crescent region and Iran, they began to discover the importance of knowledge. Conquests continued all the way to Hispania in the west and as far as India, the Philippines, and Indonesia in the east, giving Muslims access to knowledge from many cultures, which they translated into Arabic and recorded in books for the use of their own scholars and philosophers and educated elites, who flourished in this period. Much of this knowledge was later translated by Christian and Jewish scholars in medieval Spain from Arabic into Latin and was spread through Europe.